Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use coupons on Temu. So let's get right into it. Now, there are two ways of using coupons and I'll be explaining both to you. So let's get right into it. So the first way is to actually enable the coupon or the promo code on your account. And the steps differ a bit between the web version, which I'm currently at now, and the mobile version. On the mobile version, you need to go into your U page and then you'll see a coupon button near the top of the screen. However, if you're on the web version, what you need to do is go into your account over here and then search for the appropriate tab, which is the coupon codes. So click on that and you'll immediately be brought to the unused tab. And here you'll see you have this field below, which you can use to enter your promo codes. Now, all you need to do is just enter your promo code or your coupon code here, click apply, and then it'll be on your unused section on your account and activate it. Now, the second method is to actually do it while you're shopping. So once you're at checkout for your items in your cart, then you'll get here, and as you can see under the order summary, you can enter the coupon code and click apply if you haven't before, or if you haven't activated on your account yet. And that is pretty much how you do it. Now, this part is pretty much identical on the mobile version as well. You just need to go into your checkout, and when you arrive there, you'll see the ability to enter your coupon code in a similar field. Click apply, and that's pretty much it. And there's really nothing else to mention. You have the different types of coupon codes, some that run out quicker, some that are for one purchase, some that are for your next purchase, etc., etc. So use them accordingly. That's pretty much it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.